ice cream guys mayingagaleli ngathi umuntu ice cream angayigaleli ngathi hayi thina support wena nge-ice cream hayi umuntu angasebenzi angathini afuna ugaleli yo wenza milkshake ice cream umuntu hayi baphila kamnandi abantu balala 24/7 abathi good day sir abantu abangathi good day sir jonako yo.
Mara, you guys like to act brand new like South Africa. Especially when you guys come online, you like to act brand new as if you don't know the real situations of most South Africans. That video of that guy who's pouring ice cream and then you guys are like, ice cream. You know your financial situation at home. You know your financial situation at home. You understand that ice cream should be enough for everyone in that household. You know it. But you guys come on here as if you fight 10 in one day. You know your financial situation. It's the same thing as I saw a post of someone asking who said to South Africans that you must eat 4 slices of bread because that's the standard. So we abuse umuntu as a joke. 4 slices. The reason why we eat 4 slices is because aguna kudla. You understand? The bread that your mom buys should be enough for all the kids. And normally, no offense, but there's usually a lot of people in the house. So 4 slices normally works out for everyone. Good to within the loaf of bread. But you guys come online here when a kid eats 8 slices and then a parent vents, why would 8 slices? And then you guys are like, you know your situation at home. You know your financial situation at home. That 1 loaf of bread should be enough. You know what I mean? Like there's no other. So misuser knowing but you guys act brand new here, and I knew never to take you guys seriously when that story salo Fidelis guy who allegedly stole 16 million rands from his work, and he was like an auditor, and then it came out that he was getting paid 69,000 rands per month for his salary, and you guys said it wasn't enough. I remember. I think I even have screenshots because I wanted to make a video of you guys saying 69,000 rands per month is not enough. Nina. That's when I knew not to take you guys serious. When most South Africans are getting paid less than 20,000. But online, everyone is rich. Everyone is making more than 100K. There's no such thing as okhulumela. The reason why people make points about it is because there's no other food. Once we cut the ice cream, 5 liters, you understand? So you guys like to act brand new. You don't know the financial situation. You're saying number 1 of most South Africans. Is South Africa an unequal country, or is that statistic lying? Because it can be it can be both. It's either South Africa is an unequal country or sonke is rich. Because there's no way no can act tin roof. I said no, guys. You have to forget about just being a considerate person. You understand? The consideration goes a long way. So I'm serious. When it comes to anything that has to do with salaries, anything that has to do with equality, money, I'm serious. I know you guys are lying. Is South Africa an unequal country or sonke is rich? Because you can't say it's an unequal country, but you guys come on here and act like 69,000 rands is a lot of money per month. Like you don't know the concept of I pay lentole, I say enye. Some people live like that. We grew up like that. Most of us grew up with cheese was like a big thing. Okay, this thing cheese is a big thing. You understand? So why are you guys acting brand new online? Magadina.
Kade ngibuka le video yalo guy lo wa ice cream. And you know when I first saw that video, to me, into ifike engqondweni ukuthi it's not about the ice cream. Mina ke ngiumuntu nje uthanda ukuthi abheke ama side omabili. Both parties involved, family na this guy. Yes, they were wrong ukuthi bakwenze phambi kwengane, and maybe ukuposta ku social media they were wrong. But nje mangibuka guy, he just gave me the vibes nje yalaba chitha la bahlala elokishini. You know guys, abantu abahlala elokishini, abahlala emakhoneni abangafuna ukusebenza, baphuza utshwala whole day. Noma umuntu uthola umsebenzi, uyawuthola mayihola awuyeke. He just gave me those vibes, but hey angazi. but nje mhlawumbe ifamily yakhe naye iya-complain ugaya akafuna ukusebenza. And futhi enye into labantu nje laba bathi ukhulumela ukudla. Guys, ukudla kuyabiza ukudla. It is not nice ukuthi uhambe uyosebenza and then a big portion of your salary goes to food. Akumnandi. And then somebody just comes and wastes food. Ngeke ngacomplain nami. Mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi uthenga isinkwa umuntu azodla 8 slices eyedwa. Lapha akafuni nokuyosebenza. So before nje uthi ungibuza do I think like this? Yes, I do think like this. Ngiwumuntu othandayo ukubheka both sides of the story before I draw my own conclusions. Before nje we go in, jump and help the guy. Kumele kutholakale both sides of the story. Ungaze kuthiwa hayi bakhulumela ice cream e90 rand. 90 rand is a lot of money. Yazi izinto ezingaki lezo. So nje mina for me nje when I watched that video I was like, no man, it's not about the ice cream. I don't think it's about the ice cream. It's about the fact that uguy hlamba akafuni ukuyosebenza. Amajitha ayavuka la ekuseni elokishini bayogunda utshani. Abanye bathenga ingingila bayoyidayisa. They are doing things ukuthi bakwazi ukungenisa imali. Maybe yena akakwenzi lokho. So nje before nje we jump in siblame ifamily. Maybe nayo uguy uyiburden kwifamily yakhe. And nina niyazi ke nje thina esivele esikhulele elokishini. We've seen oguy abanjalo. We've seen ama families asokola because of those guys.
Man, can iphinde lento niphinde ndigxininise because I kind of feel like ingathi asifani, ingathi asi-understandani. Guys, there are families ezizamelayo ihlobo lokuphila. Banye badibanisa nemali zegranti, banye banalo misebenzi yabo, kuthengwe ukutya endlini bakutyiwe kube mnandi. There's always that one guy. I know this because ndikhe experience. Fortunately not endlini, but kwindlu endikhe ndahlala kuyo. Bayathandana abantu, barhalela kube mnandi as much as they've got nothing. Kuthengwa ukutya. So there's always this guy. Xa ithe wafumana imali, bithi i-350, bithi ke wabamba i-piece job. Bethu utywala yonke. Uthe utywala ngayo yonke, anxile, agezela kwa the very same people abathenga igrosa. Ababuze ngeenyama ezingaphekwanga, ababuze ngoba kutheni nephakelwe kancinci. Kodwa khange contribute kwanto koku kutya. Okunyama nekuchitha ngamanye amaxesha xa evethanda, bakuvuthwanga izinto ezisileyo zokubhulisha abantu. Now ndithi ke ngoku my analysis and deduction from that video was that laa mjita akayenze kokuqala laa nto. Because nditshile uba ndimvile usisebethetha pha esithi kunini. Akayenzi kokuqala and akayenzi kwi-ice cream qha. Umosha nezinye izinto. I could be wrong, but that's the impression I got. Okwesibini, I kind of feel like no matter how twisted the family is, zimbalwa chances zoba ungathi xa uyogalela ice cream kuphambane wonke umuntu, kungabikho noyi-one othi hayibo guys, hayibona uyaqala nje uyitya, okanye hayibo akho akaphakanga kakhulu, okanye hayibo kanti imiyekeni. Kwale nto kuphambane wonke umuntu, it means bagrand abantu ngawe because uyamosha, uyadika. Umosha uyadika kwalo uthengayo, umenza angakhuthazeki. Ungafumanisa uba ngoku next year kuzoba ku-ice cream because iyazi uba bekothenga ice cream ayigqibi neveki, uba kukhona inyama ayigqibi neveki. Now must abanye abantu suffer because nina you claiming uba isidima sakhe intontoni bekumele abane approach eyapolite. Nithetha nje nyani uba ningekho phaa nina nibone ivideo eyi-1. Uxelela umuntu into enye every day ikwenza uphelwe yi-kindness, ikwenza uphelwe yi-politeness, ikwenza uvakale ngathi ngumuntu oyindlavini because this person. And uma niqaphele kulaa video henza ulese uba aba bantu bayashwabula like badikiwe, bayashwabula sebeshwabula bethetha nje ngoku lo mjita uyabahlupha. Xa ndigqiba, the whole question yoba urekhodelwe ntoni kwaze kwathini ingaxoxa. Omnye umntu uzawuthi xa sebedikwa abantu bakhupha ifowuni bavideorayize bayenze i-content, omnye uzawuthi asuka mhlawumbi bebefuna umhumilata okanye bekutheni. But the whole question of videos and what not, we know that every day sixoxa ngaloo nto uba abantu hayi bevideorayize into ezithile nezinye sizikhalazelayo. Let me just make a very quick example. There was a prank up about isonka. We saw our parents were shouting abantwana for ukutya. Besiyibona besiyazi besiyi-understanda. Why ngosingayi-understand xa isenzeka live? Sibona uba le ayoprank le itya nyhani ilofu ayidlali. Why all of a sudden ngoku sesibhizi uba ingcolile ifamily kwaze kwathini? You will understand and you know better if you can have someone who is a setback kwindawo okuyo kowenu. Ubone uba ngoku ukutya makufihlwe ngoku ezirumini okanye makungathengwa okanye mangathengwa because this guy drinks or this guy is on drugs. He does not care, because that's what you must also understand. Sanuba nento ethi no, he doesn't care. Okokugqibela ngadabanga kakhulu because this thing is just becoming personal and emotional, and it makes me emotional ngehlobo loba I feel like the real victims are family members, but kwenziwa i-victim ngathi ngomjelo we-ice cream. Ithi into yokugqibela kulaa video, because funa niyibukele laa video, ngoku kubhizi apha kureprimandwayo nantoni. Khange laa mjelo benezazela mhlawumbi aphinde ayikhenge iyi-1 ayibuyisele phaa okanye mhlawumbi awuthuke ayeke phole entloko. Kukhona umntana omncinci ophethe imaki encinci ecabe begalelo le cetshana nje le-ice cream, yena akaboni naloo nto lo mtshito. Hayi guys, if I'm wrong hayi ngicela uxolo, but le hayi ndibethini, hayi ndibethini. Noba ndingamthengela amabhakethi, noba ndingamdoneyithele, noba ndingamkhaleli izindlu, if you are not dealing with the real issue uzawunxaka nani. Bekumele uba khathathwe kahlaliswe nomnye phaya azawubonwa kakhe. Ndiyayibona ndiyayibona.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Sakuyindzaba yabhudwe ice cream lobonakala trend lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana ngemva kokuthi family yakhe imrecord complaining ngale ice cream layidla kusenga ukuthi wayagalela ice cream lengaka azende ngathi a milkshake. Most people are defending the guy saying ukuthi why bamkhulumele ice cream ya 100 rand. People are just saying ukuthi le family yakhe khohlakele, including yena Dominic. He even commented on the video athi nikhohlakele. I think uthe naze nangqola or uthe nikhohlakele, somewhere between those lines. And there are people who are actually saying ukuthi hey bo ice cream lengaka vele sonke siyati uma situations lesiphuma kuwo ngeke umani uthathe emaranji weyini le glass likhulu engaka ugaleli ice cream oyigqwale ngalendlela uthi labanye badleni inkosi yami, because ukhombisa njena kungabaqabangeli labanye abantu, ukhombisa kuba selfish. Some people are saying ukuthi mawungakase uhlale nemuntu ukuthi akaqabangelana akafuni ngisho nokuya emsebenzini angathola umsebenzi makaholi yawuyekela, you won't understand why the family is complaining. So people are saying ukuthi into lebe wrong lana ukuthi bamrecord bayiposte le video tinkundleni yokuxhumana, but le ice cream vele nayo la ibambile qha iningi kakhulu. Bantu bathi lo mfana njena udidingela rehab because what is this? Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.